Welcome to Knowledge Assumption. In today's video, I'll guide you through automatically buying and selling tokens on Solana blockchain. I'll display the steps on the screen. Make sure you follow each one of them. To begin, ensure you have a Phantom wallet with some Solana available for trading. Next, head to DEX that supports automated trading such as Serum or Jupiter. You'll need to use a Solana-based automation tool like Hummingbot or another bot compatible with Solana's ecosystem. Connect your wallet to DEX and set up your trading bot. Enter parameters like token pair you want to trade, price thresholds, and the amount you want to buy or sell. Once you have configured the settings, activate the bot and let it handle trades automatically. Keep an eye on bot's performance and don't forget to tweak the settings if needed. Stay tuned for more crypto tutorials and remember to hit the subscribe button.